Hello everyone, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to show you a quick and easy method to convert PDF files into an editable Word documents. Alright, let's get started. By the way, converting PDF to Word can be a real time saver, especially when you need to edit or extract text from a PDF document. So in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of converting PDF to Word online. Okay, so first thing to do, you need to open your web browser. So here I use Google Chrome. By the way, you can also use other web browser. You can have Mozilla Firefox. You can also have the Microsoft Edge. So as I have told you, I'm using Google Chrome. So first thing to do is to type in, you have to type in online PDF to Word converter. So you have it here, so just click it here, this one. And then as you can also see from the screen, you will be presented with a bunch of fantastic websites that offer PDF to Word conversion services. So one of this is the pdfsemply.com. We also have here signnow.com, ilovepdf.com, adobe.com, smallpdf.com, and much more platform. So in this case, I will be using ilovepdf.com. So just click it, and then what you can see is this screen. We have your PDF to Word converter. Convert your PDF to Word document with incredible accuracy. So there's no need for you to log in. You can immediately do the process, convert PDF to Word. So what you will do is just to select PDF files. So you must know the location of your PDF file. So in my case, it is located in the document science modules from DeepId Commons. So just select one. So I'll be selecting the second one. Just click and open. And it asks you if you can add more, but then it's better if you will do it one by one. So next is to convert to Word. So just click this one. So that is how easy to convert PDF to Word using ilovepdf.com platform. So just click it, and as you can see, it's now converting the PDF to Word. Okay, so it says here your PDF has been converted to editable Word document. So what are we going to do is just download it. It immediately downloaded our file. So it is already here below. So this one. So next, if it's already fully downloaded, you can just click this arrow up and click open to see your downloaded Word format of your document. So that is how easy our conversion from PDF to Word. Okay, so let's just wait for a moment to show you the. Okay, so this is now our Word document. So you can just look into. Okay, as you can see, we successfully converted our PDF document to Word. Is it amazing? So that is how easy converting PDF to Word online without any app that is being downloaded. Okay, but wait, before you rush off to try it out, let me know in the comments which website you choose and how your experience was. You can try the other websites that are available online. And that's all, my dear viewers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next video.